In this video, let's talk about what kind of the wheel spacers are best for your Tesla Model S. Let's go.
Installing the Tesla Model S hub-centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Tesla wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Tesla wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Tesla Model S hub-centric wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of shaking, caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Professional wheel spacers manufacturers and auto part reviewers prefer hub-centric wheel spacers over lug-centric wheel spacers. Besides, BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. BONOSS FT cooling Tesla wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Tesla wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers, which use low-quality materials, are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driver safety under strong impact.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a good day.